Good morning, my standards. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am Kimberly of Proudly Standing. Um, you guys already know what the group is about. We stand for marriages, we stand for other people, our family, our friends, and we stand for our enemies. So, with that being said, I just want to jump right into it because I only have like a good 5 minutes to get this out to you guys. So basically, the group is going on a 5 a.m. prayer and a indefinite fast from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. and I'll explain why. So basically, as far as with the prayer part of it, God knows me getting up at 5 a.m. is such a struggle. But I think he's doing it to me on purpose because he's testing me. He just needs my obedience. He does that to us. So I will post the number in the comments. And I will always make sure that I post it if you're not in the group. If you want the information to join the prayer, inbox me, text me, whatever's needed so I can get that information to you. The next thing is if we're fasting. This is a simple fast. From 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day, we don't eat any food. You can drink shakes, smoothies, liquids, but you cannot eat any food, no vegetables, no meat, nothing to that sort. Excuse me. Reason why God is calling this fast that he's confirmed with me is because if you take a moment to pay attention to everybody that you're connected to, you have a lot of people that you're close to that are going through the exact same situation that you're going through. For instance, I have a couple close friends that one was divorced before my situation. One is separated. She separated after mine. Another friend the other day confided in me about her marital issues. So that's what I mean by when everybody's connected, there's an effect there. And so God's wanting our unity. I have a really good friend that I met last year. We are like this now. We met on the same grounds, but we are so in tune with each other that when God sends her a sign, he sends me signs, and then he confirms about conversations. He'll have her call me out the blue and start prophesying. And these are things that she hasn't talked about. And I promise you guys, I'll go back in my text and be like, wait a minute, did I mention this to her? And I'll go back and see it. I'm like, no, okay, this is you, God. So that's how I know how he talks, and that's how he moves. So again, this is why it's so important that we have to be under the same covering. So we're fasting and we're praying. I promise you, you will see amazing, amazing things. And we're not stopping until we see the breakthrough. If you're not aware of the 48-day challenge that we're doing, it's 48 ways that the Bible tells us that we're supposed to be obedient according to his word. I suggest you join it. I promise you, you're going to get convicted. You're going to learn some things. It might be some things you already knew that you just need to refresh. It could be some things that you change. But I promise you that I have been so cleansed by doing this that I just feel this overwhelming sense of gratification and just growth and just release. It's so amazing. So I suggest that you join the 48-day challenge. Share, join. Please get the word out because we're stronger in numbers. We really are. God needs us to do this. Same thing with this fasting and this prayer. Share and join it. I'm uploading it to YouTube so that way it can be shared and it can be joined. Facebook is giving me issues as far as posting videos here and there. I'm not sure if it has to do with my special fan or not, because I did find out she has a little bit to do with that. However, we pray for her. We love her. But in the event that my special fan is doing things or Facebook is doing things, I need you guys' help with getting the videos out because there's 48-day challenge videos, there's praying, there's fasting, there's growth, there's learning. People need to know it, need to hear about it, they need support, they need to love. I help so many people because of this, so thank God that he had to break me to get me to this point. But I need your help sharing. So we've got the 48-day challenge. We've got the fasting and the praying. And stay tuned for the interviews. The videos are getting tweaked, and they're going to get ready to get posted It's going to help somebody understand it from a prodigal's point of view as well as a standard's point of view. And then I am actually going to get on the other side and actually be interviewed for you guys to understand me and where I come from. So, proudly standing. I love you guys forever and always. Just a quick video. Just get this out there. I need you guys to know that. I love you guys. I cherish you guys. We're gonna shake heavens. We're gonna create breakthroughs, miracles, signs, and wonders doing all of this. And remember, our obedience does not mean that we have to be holier than thou. We just need to be obedient. I love you guys. Until next time.